Blessings YouTube, I'm here again with another video. Shout out to all of the people who are subscribed, and shout out to the people who's watching me. I'm asking you guys to subscribe, like and comment. You know, I want to continue making some nice videos for you guys. I'm about to go down to into the town today to go run some errands. I'm gonna buy a shoes for my daughter for school, and just get some stuff done, general errands. Follow me through the day. See you later, guys. YouTube, we're here on the coast. Sun is blazing, but had to take care of some business. Had to get a recommendation for my daughter's school. Say hello, Ashley.
Hi YouTube, like, comment, subscribe and hit that notification bell, please.
We're at Ocho Rios, trying to look at shoes for Ashley. We're just walking around seeing where we can find the best looking shoes for her. So once we buy the shoes, I'll get back to you. See you later, guys. Yeah, YouTube. Been walking all over the place looking for shoes for her. Can't find none. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. Where you wanna check, Ashley? Where? Stop it, nice. That shoe selling us.
Yeah, might be.
No. YouTube, I don't know where to go. Come like say, if I go town, go find her shoes for her. Because everywhere I go, I can't find her size. See you later, guys. Yeah, YouTube. Why? I'm gonna have to make a mother buy them shoes because boy, out there too hot. Can't find it nowhere. I'm gonna have to make her go to Kingston. I'm just stopping off at the t-shirt factory trying to get some t-shirts for myself. Yeah, YouTube. I had to stop to get something to eat. Ashley says she's hungry, so we're gonna consume some food. Probably get a pizza, and then go back home and just do what we gotta do. See you later, guys. Boy, it was a rough day today. The day was so hot and tormenting. Yes, YouTube. We're back home. Well, actually, I'm at work. I should have opened my shop from morning, but had to get stuff done. But we got some errands done. We didn't get the shoes for Ashley, but I'm gonna make her mother buy it in Kingston next week. But we're giving God thanks another day. So you go. We'll catch you again later.